Do you want me to sing you a little song? Oh, how I love my little Quinty. He's my favorite little boy.
Kelly!
She said what?
She said what? Do you hear it?
Subscribe and like this video, and nobody gets hurt.
Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my God, are you okay? The hell are you staring at, bro? Oh, now you want to look away. It's cool.
You're coming home with me. Okay, get in the car. It ain't that high. Go on. In the car. Leaving your dog Ritos on the ground. Why can't you just get in the car? All right, then.
What'd you say?
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. On your mark, get set, go.
Qui vous rapporte la balle. Parce que moi, oui.
Woo! What's up, dude?
Kitten, be careful. Oh my God.
You come here often?
You're f***ing Nate? Are you kidding me?
No, I don't even know why she would say that.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
That classic moment when you're organizing your room and you take out your bed, and then while you're going through the that's under your bed, you find a f***ing bird. Seriously? If you turn off the... Really? Oh God. Wait, grab Skittles! Mom!
The flavors are melting on my tongue!
Surprise, shawty!
Oh, get him! Get him! Oh! Yo!
I'm gonna go for walks.
Oh my God, who ate the pizza?
Pissing all by yourself, handsome?
Emma.
It's not the cat!
You're done. You're done.
Excuse me. Oh!
All the patching's done by Hernando.
Who is Hernando?
I'm Hernando and I'm scared of nothing.
Turn around. Let me see that ass. Turn around. Oh! No, he
Oh, oh, you want to get f***ed up? You want to get... What is...
She's a precious angel. Oh. Okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
It's like this right up against me, and it's making all my hair stand up and my hair on my head. You ready, Maui?
What are you watching, Jinx?
Good morning. Morning. Morning.
What you think?
Kevin, that guy's not even racing you.
Yeah, he did. He blinked.
You're asking for trouble. Just sit there, see what he does.
He bites me when I sit here. It's what happens. I'm watching the ball game.
tell me your indoor cat won't survive in the wild without telling me?
It serves 3 purposes. With this hat, it is house, it is for cats.
You can have this back. No thank you. No thanks. Oh.
You just hit your face.
Rosie, no! Rosie, no! Rosie, oh my god!
Authorized personnel only. Are you authorized?
Did he just kill himself?
Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Make a right click on my body, okay. Okay.
Are you guys gonna kiss?
Oh, it's a 9.2.
Bye bye.
You are really hurting me. Stop biting. Get off. Right, no.
Hey, get the out of here.
It's just never been my thing, not into it, so not approved.
Oh, this one's taken. This one's taken.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog?
Yes. Nice. Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, actually, no, read. Say your point before I talk.
For Jamal, can you guys write down who's speaking? Yeah.
Yeah, and you guys need to put July in every week because otherwise.
Oh, he's not happy.
Update.
stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
I heard this has something to say to the press, Nabi.
This bitch has something to say to the press. What is it, Nabi?
What's good?
What's good?
Where are you going with the cat? Did he? Leave the poor baby alone.
Ding dong.
Oh, you want a nice butt scratch? Oh, good boy. You dirty bastard.
Hey, come here, come here. Come on.
Considering 2 hours ago, I was completely exposed on the side of the mountain.
Buddy, we've talked about this. You're actually soaked. Can you not drink from the other side like you normally do? Still super cute though. And I'm glad you're hydrating. Hello. Hello.